Guys, sharing saver more me game of the Python and it's free to share and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also subscribe me for any future related videos about the Python. So now without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's understand. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video I am telling you about the how functions in the cache. So guys, sharing same mode I came with the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling about the how functions interact with their arguments in Python. So yeah, we are learning about it, so let's learn about it without wasting any time and let's talk about how functions interact with their arguments in Python. In Python, functions interact with their arguments through the parameter passing, it depending on the type of argument passed, mutable or immutable. The function's interaction with the argument can vary. Okay, here's a detailed breakdown. Okay, types of argument passing in Python. First, pass by value, but pass by value versus pass by reference. First, Python doesn't use the pure pass by values or pass by reference. Number two, instead it uses the pass by object reference. This means the reference to the object is passed to the function, not the actual object or its value. Number 2. Behavior based on mutability. First, immutable objects. For example, int, float, str, tuple cannot be modified inside the function. Reusing them creates a new object. Number 2. Mutable objects. For example, list, text, set can be modified in place within the function. Examples of argument interaction. First, immutable argument example. This is one example of the immutable argument. Okay, let me copy it and let me come on my window, and then I am making one file by the name of index.py. Okay, I am making the file of Python, and I am making this file on my document. Anyway, you will make it at your own choice. Okay. Now when I paste this code here in the third line of code, we create our new object for x. Okay. Now when I save it and run it, it gives you the outputs will be initial value of x is 5 and modify value of x is 15 and the value of num is after the function called 5. Okay, why it is going like this? Because here I like initial value of x and then I write my x variable. Then here we also write the modify value of x and then I write like x variable. Then here I like value of the num function after function call, then I write like my num variable. So that's why it give me like 10, 5, 15 and 5 like that. Okay, this is one example of the immutable argument. Okay, now output will become like this and my output will be also coming like this. Explanation. Now let me explain you. X is inside the function is a new object and created by the x plus equals to 10. The original num is the call in the calling scope remains the unchanged. Number 2, mutable argument example. There is one mutable argument example. Okay, let me copy it and let me paste it. Now let me save it and it should give me the outputs will be, let me save it and it should give me outputs will be integer list 1 2 3, the integer list 1 2 300, then 1 2 300. Give me the list after call 1 2 300. Why did give me like this? Because here first of all I write like def key that modify mutable my list, then I write like print integer list, then I write like my list variable, then I write like my list, then dot append method. Dot append method what it can do, it merge the three list with 100. Okay, it modifies the list in place. Okay, in the third line it modifies the list in place. Number 4, print the modified list, then I write like my list variable, then I write like numbers like 1 2 3, or you can also add a more number, it is your own choice. Then I write like modify mutable, and then here I like my variable about of the numbers, then here I like print list after function call, then here I like my numbers variable, then that's why it give me this type of output. Now output will become like this, and my also output has been coming like this. Now explanation. The append operation modifies the original list because my underscore list points to the same object as a number. Number third, mixing a mutable and immutable. Like this one example. Okay, let me copy it and let me paste it. What here we can do here, we write like x plus equals to 10, then my list dot append me, and then the append method, the combine the list with 200. Okay, then in the code, then I save it and it will give me inside the function x ratio 20, the inside the function my underscore list, like this type of an output. Okay, and my output will be also coming like this. Explanation. X is immutable, so the modification inside the function doesn't affect the num in the outer scope. My list is the mutable, so changes inside the function affect the nums outside the function. Key points to remember. First, reassignment and original objects. First, for immutable types, reassignment inside the function does not affect the original object. Number 2, the mutable types in place, modification inside the function directly affect the original object. Number 2, copying the data to avoid the modification. First, use the list.copy or copy.deepcopy to pass a copy of mutable object if you don't want to want the function to modify the original object. Like this one example here, you can see we use the copy. Okay, you can see here we use the copy module. Okay, here you can see here we use the copy module. Now let me save it and it's give me error because it is saying me the copy in the copy module it will give me error. That means like our copy module has been not downloaded. So let me download it. For download, you only write pip install copy. Then it will be start to downloading it, and then when it will be downloaded, then it will not give you the error. I hope. Okay, let me remove this and then save it in it. So now it give me output like local copy inside a function 12300. Then give me original list after a function called 123. Why? Because here are like 300. If you want to write 3000, so write 3000, then it give you 3000 here, like that. Here you can see it. Now let me minimize it and let me come on it here. Then summary. First, functions interact with argument based on the object type, mutable or immutable. We learn about it. Number 2, we avoid unintended side effects. Be mindful of whether the object pass in modified in place or reassigned. Number 3, we learn about we use the copying techniques if you want to prevent modification to the original argument. Let me know if you do like more examples or clarifications, so let me know in the comment section below. But here you can see in today's video of Python, I am told you about the how functions interact with their arguments. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also numbers for any future related videos about the Python. So now, and if you want to access my all playlists, so let me tell you how you can access it. You should just go onto Google and search here my channel. Then my channel has been opened down. We are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. Then come on to the playlist. Then we successfully completed 135 videos of the HTML. We successfully then bookmark it from here and then see all the videos. And this is a very big course of the HTML I ever seen in the YouTube history. Okay, and in this channel you only want your all HTML on all Python videos, not any other videos. Here you can see it. In this channel there is all Python videos, not any other video. Here you can see it in this channel. But anyway, I'm using next lesson, next very amazing that our videos. So for today, goodbye.